This video is currently going viral on social media. It shows an innocent horse stranded on the roof of a house trying to save its life after a flood. So where is this video actually from, and where has such a dangerous flood occurred recently? Actually, friends, in recent days, due to excessive rains and climate change, very dangerous conditions have developed in Brazil. Entire cities have been submerged in water, roads have collapsed, airports have been flooded, and we have witnessed scenes that make one's heart stop. Sadly, as a result of these events, more than 500,000 people have been displaced from their homes, and 150 people have lost their lives.